Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to use Adobe Photoshop on a Mac computer. Tutorial 16, making some last minute changes. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Adobe Photoshop, and a project that we have been working on from the previous tutorials. As you can see on screen, photo.psd. Let's just turn the attention to the computer, click on photo.psd and wait for that to load. And now, if you have followed the previous tutorials, this is how far we are. To make some last minute changes, let's just rearrange if we require to. Add the image to the center. Maybe let's decrease the size of the image itself. Centralize this. Maybe if we want to add in another color just for the background behind the title, that could be something we require. Let's just move this beneath computer science videos, and that itself is nearly done. Or maybe we can have it across the whole image and maybe change the color to something else. Let's say maybe yellow. Command Z to revert back to what it was initially. Maybe a light gray could work. Maybe a dark gray. Maybe we can have another color. Let's just say very light green. And now that we have changed the background color for the text, that's okay. What I can do with the image is increase the size and so that it fits the whole project itself. That's okay. And the watermark itself is centralized. Go back to the logo, right click, blending options, outer glow, change to white for that to stand out. That's okay, that's done. And the rest is history. So we can now Command S to save, quit Photoshop. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.